Hey guys, are you looking for a mop system that makes cleaning effortless? This Spin Mop Bucket with wringer system is the ultimate solution for keeping your floors spotless. It features 5 reusable microfiber mop heads that are not machine washable but are easy to clean and perfect for different floor types like hardwood, tile, concrete, and even glass windows. Whether you are wet mopping for a deep clean or dry mopping for dusting, this system has covered. With 500 drain holes and high-speed spinning bucket, the mop head dries quickly and efficiently, leaving your floors dry in no time. The self-washing and wringing action ensure your heads are stay clean and dry without physical effort. The extended 61-inch stainless steel handle is adjustable, making it easy to clean stairs, ceiling, and hard to reach areas. Plus, the 360-degree rotation mop head effortlessly navigate tight space, maximizing cleaning efficiency. The set includes 5 replacement mop heads and 1 cleaning brush head, designed with fine, soft bristle that easily tackle kitchen, oil stains, and bathroom tile. So, guys, get ready for a sparkling clean home without the hassle.